In the previous video we have discussed resources. Class 8th geography, the topic was resources. There was only some introduction, and today we are going to learn about natural resources. Broadly we classify resources in two categories, that is natural, and the other category is human made resources. Let us discuss what natural resources are. A natural resource is what people can use which comes from the nature or natural environment. Example of natural resources are air, wind, water, wood, oil and gas, iron and coal. The dividing line that is between natural and man-made resources is not clear cut, so it is a bit confusing sometimes, and there is not a clear line sometimes between the two groups. The picture given below gives us a few examples of natural resources: water, forests, rocks, minerals, soils and animals. All of them are natural resources, and they could include both renewable and non-renewable resources. Natural resources are the resources that we obtain from natural environment, and all of the things in the picture below are obtained from the natural environment. Now these things could be further classified into two groups. One is inexhaustible resources and other is exhaustible resources, or we sometimes call them renewable or non-renewable resources. Both terms mean the same thing. First we will discuss what are inexhaustible resources. Inexhaustible or renewable resources are the resources that can be renewed, or we can use them again and again. There are two pictures in the slide below. One shows a wind turbine of 5 megawatt in Belgium, and another picture you can clearly see the three states of water, that is ice, that is liquid water, and water vapor in the form of clouds. These are the best examples of renewable resources or inexhaustible resources, means these resources renew over time. The other examples could be sunlight, air, forests and soils. Exhaustible resources or non-renewable resources are the resources that exhaust over time. In this picture there is a coal mine. It means that coal that we use for the energy purposes, if one is destroyed it can't be used again and again, so it is an exhaustible resource. As the human populations grow over time, we are utilizing more and more resources, fossil fuels and mineral ores, so they can be used just once, and once we finish them using it, they can't be renewed and we would lose them forever. So that is the example of non-renewable or exhaustible resources.